Hello teacher, my name is İsmail. Now I will show you three different exercises, and this is the one of them. So let's start with it. I have two different classes in this program. One of is point2D and the other one is test.2D. Point2D is the class represents a point in a 2D coordinate system with x and y coordinates. It provides methods to perform common operations such as calculating distances between points and finding the midpoint between 2 points. That it works. Test.2D is the class which is the main program that tests all functionalities of the point2D class. It creates objects, calls methods, and displays results to verify that point2D class works correctly. We use methods in the this class. These methods we use: constructor, double distance, get x, get y, point limit point. Yeah, okay. I will show you with breakpoints how it works. Let's start it. Okay, in this line, in this line, I can say, we are creating two different points, P1 and P2. Next line, we are going to constructor of the point 2D, and in here, we initialize the object with given x and y values. So we have 3 of x for x and 4 for y. Let's see. We assign provide x value in here to instance variable. In here, it's same to y. And we are going to test point plus again. We define the 3 and 4 for P1 point. The other one is same like the fourth line. We define 6 and 8 in point2D class, point2D classes constructors. Here. Now we defined P2 for this test class. Now let's see system.println p1x plus p1.getx plus y plus p1.getY. Now we can see here the getX method and getY method. So we all absolutely go to point2D class in here. We return x, we return y. Let's see in here, and it will be right like p1x equal to 3, p1 y equal to 4. It must be right like that. Let's see. Yeah, we are going to here. After that, we are going to return y method like this, and that's clear. The other line is same like this. It will be return 6 and 8 like the previous line. Yeah, we can see here P1x is 3.0, y is 4.0. It is double, so we write like this. We see like this in this console. P2x equal to 6 in here, and y is 8 in here. Okay, let's continue. we see system out println distance from P1 to 0, 0. It says like what is distance to origin. So we are going to use distance method in the point2D class. Let's see. Yeah, there is a dot script. We can see calculate the Euclidean distance between 2 points in here. This method to calculate the distance from this point to another point given by x, y coordinate. So we can see here we should get 5.0 value because 3 square, 4 square equals to 5 square, as we know. The other line is P1 dot distance P2. Let's see how it works. We are going to point2D again, and we can see difference distance method in here. Our distance is this. Return distance p.getx and p.getY. And we are going to getx method, and we are going to getY method again. After that, we are going to use distance method, the previous lines, and we can see the output in here. P1 to P2 is equal to 5.0 as like P1 to origin. After that, we are using static method distance P1 and P2, point2D distance P1, P2. Let's see how it works. We are 2 different points again we have, but it is static methods, so we are going to use this method. P1 distance P2, we are going to go there. I can say like that. Yes. After that, we are going to go there and return x. After that, return y. After that, again this line, and again distance, and return P1 distance P2. We can get output in here. Setting method distance P1 to P2 is 5.0. And point2D mid. There is a point2D method, midpoint for. We can say point2D this x, p.x over 2, this y, p.getY over 2. We are going to this x from here, this equal to x, and we can say get x in here. After that, return y and over 2 in here, and we can see this x and this y again, and having this x and this y in here. And we know this point, and after that we system out println. We need to get output, so we use this method. Midpoint of P1 and P2, mid.getx and mid.getY. We can see the output in here. We need to x value for here. We need to y value for here. After that, our program is finished. This is the output. Now let's explain the other exercise. Now let's look at the second exercise. In here we define an interface. This is with two abstract methods. There is one of is calculate area, and this will calculate the area of shape. Second one is calculate the perimeter of a shape. Let's see what the class works. One of the circle class. This class represents a circle, stores radius, calculates area and circumference. The other one is rectangle. Represents a rectangle, stores width and height, calculates area and perimeter. The last one is test shape. This class is creating circle and rectangle objects and calls their methods and print results. Let's see how it works with breakpoint and debugs. Let's see. I want to add third line. Let's see. Now, in here, we define a circle shape. So we are going to circle class. Let's see. And in here, we represent a circle in first line. We can say we represent a circle and implements the shape of interface. It has a private attribute radius to store the radius of the circle. Now in fourth line, we initialize the radius when a circle object is created, and we create a circle radius of 5. So let's continue. We define the radius in here, and we are going to test shape again, and we have radius in circle. The other line is a shape rectangle. We do a rectangle object in here. We're creating an object, rectangle object. Height, width is 4, height is 7. We are going to rectangle class now. In here, as the same like circle class, we represent a rectangle and implements the shape of interfacing class, and there is two private attributes. One of is width and other one is height in here, and we define in here. So let's see how it works. We initialize the width and height, and when a rectangle object is created in here, and we create the rectangle object, so we define 4 in here, the 7 is here. So let's go to test shape again. Let's write first of all circle infos. So system.println circle. Now we are looking at the console, there's circle writing, and let's go to underline. We are writing area plus circle.calculate area. We calling the calculate area method for a circle. So we are going to circle class right now, and we return the math.pi. It calls the pi number and multiply radius, so it's power of 2 of radius, so p multiply power of 2 of radius. So we defined the area of the circle, so we can see here. Underline, we see system.println perimeter plus circle.calculate perimeter, and we are calling perimeter method in here, And let's go to circle class again. There is a return of the pi number multiply 2 multiply radius. So we get the parameter here. Let's see. Yes, we can see here. After that, we are going to underline because there is a slash n. So let's write the rectangle here. After that, stem out println area plus rectangle dot calculate area. It's calling to calculate area for rectangle, and we are going to rectangle class. And we see here calculate area with multiply height. So we know height and width, so we can see the output in here. 4 multiply 7, so it equals to 28.0 because it is double. These are double too. After that, we are calling to calculate perimeter of rectangle. So we are going to rectangle class again, and we calling the calculate perimeter method and return 2 multiply width plus height. So we are we can see in here the perimeter, and that's it. This is the shape interface and circle, rectangle, and test shape classes works. This program works like that. Let's see exercise 3. And now let's see the third exercise. So we have 4 different classes in here. So one of is vehicle class. This is the base class. This class stores make and year and defines the display info. Make, year, and display info defines. The second one is car class. This is inherits from the vehicle class. So this adds the num doors and overrides the display info. The other one is inherit class 2. This is what how can I say, adds the engine type and overrides the display info 2. The other one is test vehicle. This is the main class. This class creates and tests the car and motorcycle methods. Let's see how it works with breakpoint. Where I'm adding the breakpoint in number 3 line, and let's run. First of all, we create the car with name is Toyota, year is 2022, and number of doors is 4. That's it, and we are going to car class, and there is a super method from the vehicle class, and we are going to vehicle class 2. And there is a constructor of the vehicle class. We have make is Toyota and year is 2022, and we define in here them. So let's see. Yes, we can see in here Toyota and year. After that, we are going to car class again, and there is a different spatial method in here. This is a num doors. Num doors is here. We can see 4. So we define num doors in here and equals to 4. Let's see test vehicle again, and we have car object right now. Let's create a motorcycle with Harley Davidson 2021 and gasoline. Year is 2021. Make is Harley Davidson, and the special one is gasoline. This is the engine type. So let's go to motorcycle class, and we have super method again. We are going to vehicle class because this class is inherits by the vehicle class. So we are going to vehicle, and we have Harley Davidson in here, and 2021 is here. We define them in here. Let's see. Yes, we can see here. So let's go to motorcycle class again, and there is the engine type, and we define it as like gasoline. So we define gasoline here, here. After that, we are going to test vehicle again. We defined motorcycle and car. Let's see what happens in next line. There's a system out println and car details. We write car details directly in here, and going to underline car dot display info method. We are calling the display info method. Let's see how it works. There is a car details, so we are going to car class and public void display info. We override it, and there's a super method, so we are going to vehicle class again, and we write is make class make where makes Toyota makes it, so we write make in here, make equal to make Toyota. Here is 2022 in here, so we write 2022 in here. So let's see, make Toyota, here is 2022. Let's go test vehicle, not test vehicle, car class. So we system out print a number of doors of the vehicle. So vehicle, not vehicle, car. So we defined in 6th line. So we have 4 doors. So we write the 4 in here. We will write, yes, we can see. And car details is okay. Let's talk about the motorcycle. We are going to underline. So system out println motorcycle details, there's a /n. After that, motorcycle dot display info. Let's see, motorcycle class and super method in here. We are going to vehicle class again, and there is a system out println make class make. Let's see, makes, who makes it? Harley Davidson. So there is a Harley Davidson, must be here. And there's a year too. Year is 2021. So there must be 2021. So we can see here, make Harley Davidson, and year is 2021. After that, we are going to motorcycle class again, and there is a system out println engine type. We defined in here this dot engine type. Engine type is gasoline, so we write here is gasoline. What we write? Gasoline. So we can see here. This is the car details of this program, and we finished programming here. That's how it works. That's it. Thanks for listening. See you.